Okay, so this is Lisa, who's just come and done the first 2 days on the permanent makeup startup course with Katy. So Lisa, you come a little way away, so where are you from?
I'm from Devon.
Okay, brilliant. And what's your sort of past been? Because you haven't been working for a little while, have you?
No. So I've been a mum.
Full time?
Full time, yeah, for the last sort of 10 years.
And not just for one?
No, for 4.
There you go, that is full time.
Yeah. And I've just decided now is my time to shine.
Yeah, excellent.
So it's that time to chase and what I want to do. So.
Yeah. So is it just a case of you've done your job as a mum to a certain degree, and now you want to sort of gain that sort of confidence when it comes to get back into work again?
Yeah, absolutely. And now my youngest ones are going into nursery. It frees up a bit more time for me.
Yeah.
And I'll use the time in the evenings to do training as well. So.
Excellent. And what made you look at permanent makeup then?
Well, I've always been really interested in makeup, and permanent makeup, I stumbled across it a few years ago. I've looked more in depth to it since the lockdown.
Yeah. And
I really liked what I saw on your website, and I was inspired by Katy's success stories.
Excellent.
And yeah, I just chose you guys, and I'm glad I have.
Excellent. So you've actually been here for the first 2 days, and obviously it's been completely foreign to you, I suppose, sort of with the tattoo machines and microblades and drawing the brows and all that sort of stuff. So how have you actually found it?
Well, it's been really, really good. I've really enjoyed it. I felt really at ease. I haven't, things that I've found difficult momentarily, Katy's really helped me to understand, and I feel really confident with things now. Only after 2 days, so
wow.
I'm really looking.
And that's with no beauty background, really, is it? So
no beauty background at all. No.
Wow. And do you think it helps having the one-on-one training then with Katy?
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm so glad that I didn't choose to do it with another company as a group, because you just don't get that added extra attention that you need. Like if you're unsure of something, you can ask her. And she'll tell you and put it straight and gives you that confidence you need, I think.
Excellent. And then also on the business side as well, she's actually built it from the ground up, and we've spent a bit of time this afternoon just going through sort of the techniques and just how to sort of build a long-term successful business. So was that sort of useful as well? Oh
yeah, really interesting, really useful. I'll take a lot away with me, and there's lots that I would like to chat with my husband about.
Yeah. And he's got his own business as well. So.
He has, yeah. So it'll be really useful for us to revisit, and hopefully we'll get on board and we'll go with it.
Excellent, brilliant. Well, it's been great having you here, and obviously we'll look forward to seeing you when you return for the live model training when the restrictions allow us to do so. Yes. And we will look forward to catching up with you in the near future.
Brilliant. Okay.
Brilliant.
Thank you.
Cheers, Lisa.
Cheers.